From the makers of India's most iconic townships comes a vision that blends legacy with lifestyle. Golf course, green and grandeur all in one master planned city. This is Godrej City Panvel, where the legacy of Godrej lives large. I want to give you the overview of this 145 acres of land parcel within which you have everything from school, from cafes, from subway, from police station, from fire station, you name it, and everything is there inside. And that is why this is called a city within a city. Now, most of the projects by developer, they pitch it from the point of view that you get a good amount of greenery, maybe a 10%, maybe 20%. But Godrej, this is a project which is going to be a landmark, and that is why in 145 acres, you are getting 70% of open space. As you can see right behind me, this is a 9-hole golf course which is provided inside your land parcel within the community where people can come and enjoy. If you're a person who loves golf, this is a paradise for you. And not just that, if you can see behind me, what you see is the Matharan Hills where I am standing right now. This is also a hill on which the golf course is made. So everywhere around you there's serenity, there's peace, there's calmness, and if I just quiet down for a moment, I can hear the birds chirping. That's the best part. If you're looking for something like this, this is the perfect place. I'm sure you're already impressed about the project, but now I want to dwell on the facts of the project, make it more impressionable to you. The location of this project is very prime. From here you get seamless connectivity. First of all, let me tell you that this project is just off the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, giving you seamless connectivity to Pune, Bombay, Alibag. Wherever you want to go, you can use that expressway. Other than that, Navi Mumbai International Airport is also hardly 20 minutes from here, which is also now operational. From here you can connect Atal Setu in hardly 25 minutes, and from there Sobo is going to be maximum 1 hour. That means it is cutting down a lot of time for people who travel to BKC and other financial hubs. Educational hub like Kharghar is also close by. You can connect that in hardly 20 minutes. Also Belapur is also close from here. Location is very prime, but other than that, a lot of infrastructural development is also happening around. Your Metro Line 8, the Gold Line, which is going to connect the Navi Mumbai International Airport to the Mumbai Airport, is going to come up in the future. Mohape Station is going to come up in the future. A lot of good schools, colleges, hospitals. First of all, they're already inside your community also, but outside also all these developments are going to come up. Now that I wanted to talk about the community inside your 145 acres, let me tell you that before the green terraces, which is the focus of this video, a new cluster, we had other clusters also, for example Meadows, Highlands, but they have launched green terraces where you will be getting 1, 2 and 3 bed apartments. This is a G+38 story tower where you get 7 levels of parking, ample amount of parking for you. Other than that, you have lots and lots of amenities on the podium, as you can see for yourself. You have an Olympic sized swimming pool, you have a kids play area, multi-purpose lawn, sports areas. Everything is here for you to enjoy with your children and your elderly. This project is for those people who are interested in carpet area ranging from roughly around 450 square feet to 1160 square feet. This is your 3 BHK sample apartment of around 1071 square feet. Welcome inside. At the very entrance, this is your foyer, and on my right hand side is your kitchen, but we will come back to that. First of all, have a look at your very spacious, expansive living and dining. This is an L-shaped living and dining area. As you can see for yourself how they have decorated and utilized the space in the sample apartment. With the living room, you are getting a very big sized sun deck. From here you can enjoy the views of the Matharan Hills and also the 9-hole golf course. You can enjoy the amenity view also. It depends on you what kind of view you would like from your apartment. Now this is your 6-seater dining space. As you can see, if you have got a large family, a big family, you can also put an 8-seater dining table here. Now let's move towards the kitchen. In the kitchen, first of all, what you will see is the sheer amount of space. You will be getting 2 parallel platforms. This is the utility area. Utility area is also not very cramped. It's spacious. So you can keep your washing machine. If you want, you can also dry your clothes there. And you can see the cupboard space is also plenty. This is the space they have given for your refrigerator. You can also utilize this as your pantry. Now that we have seen the kitchen, the heart of the home, I do want to tell you that the floor to ceiling height of this apartment is amazing, and that is why you are getting this very spacious feeling. Have a look at your common washroom. It is very lavish. It is giving a very premium feel. The fittings, sanitary ware fittings which is used in the apartment, it's of high quality. This is the first bedroom. Here you are getting half windows for cross ventilation and ample amount of sunlight. You can see for yourself ample amount of space to walk around your bed. You can easily access your wardrobe. The width is very good between the bed and the wardrobe, and I think the space, which is the floor to ceiling height, is so good, and the width is also very good, so you can fit a lot of things inside the wardrobe if you get it made according to yourself, of course. Now 2 bedrooms are left. Let's explore this one first. Very spacious. The first thing which I would like to say about this room, bigger than the last one since that was the common bedroom. You can also make this as your master bedroom. The primary users of the apartment can also live here. You have got again half windows facing the same direction just like the other room, and you have got an attached washroom. Just look at the finish. You can take inspiration from the way they have done the sample apartment. Divide the wet and dry area, get Kohler fittings. You will also be getting premium fittings like Kohler and equivalent, nothing less than that. Now we will be moving finally towards the master bedroom, but first at the very entrance have a look at your common washroom. Very spacious, and from the sample apartment itself, which is on the ground floor, you have the view of the mountain. Just imagine you will be living somewhere on the 7th and the 8th floor or even higher according to your preference, and the views are going to be amazing. Monsoon is going to be blissful. The space of the master bedroom is ample. You can keep everything. You can plan your vanity here, and if you're a person who is working from home, you can also put your desk here to work. Now this was your 3 BHK apartment of around 1000 square feet. It is starting from 1 crore 90 lakhs all inclusive, and 1 BHK here is starting from 85 lakhs onwards all inclusive. If you are interested, you know what to do. Contact us on the number given below.